In this video I'm going to show you 40 brilliant uses and benefits of baking soda you never knew. Many of us think of baking soda as just an ingredient for baking or something that helps us keep our refrigerators odour free. But baking soda is incredibly good for your health and your entire home too. There are so many weird and wonderful uses for baking soda, from cleaning your bathroom to getting rid of weeds in your garden. We've got a whopping great list to inspire you. Number 1. Razor burn relief. Razor burn can be quite irritating to the skin. Help relieve razor burn by creating a mixture of water and baking soda using a cotton ball to dab it on your skin. This will reduce the redness and irritation. Number 2. Clean wall scuffs. From the kids' crayon masterpieces to daily hits and dings, our walls definitely take a beating. Use baking soda to remove wall scuffs and graffiti by the kids. Just use a damp sponge and clean away all the imperfections. Number 3. Eliminate foot odour. Baking soda's antimicrobial properties are great for eliminating foot odour. Soak smelly feet in baking soda and a water bath to eliminate the smells. Also sprinkle baking soda in your shoes to absorb excess moisture overnight. Number 4. Remove water rings. If you've forgotten to use a coaster, then no problem. With a combination of baking soda and water, you can easily remove water rings off the table. Use a soft cloth and buff in a circular motion. Number 5. You can clean teddy bears. Teddy bears are sweet, but they can collect a lot of dust. Keep stuffed animals sanitary by cleaning them with baking soda. Simply place the toy in a plastic bag with baking soda and close. Then shake the bag thoroughly, helping the baking soda draw the dust and dirt out. Lastly, vacuum the remaining particles from the stuffed animal. Number 6. Alleviate canker sores. Canker sores are small mouth ulcers, and baking soda is a natural remedy for canker sores, helping to neutralise acids in the mouth. Applying baking soda directly to the sore, or you can rinse the mouth out with baking soda and water. Both will work well. Number 7. Use a face mask. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties help to calm acne flare-ups and dry out blemishes. Mix baking soda, water and lemon juice for an incredible at-home face mask. This mask is also a great way to reduce acne scars. Number 8. You can use it to relieve bug bites. Relieve a bug bite by creating a baking soda and water paste. Apply the paste to the bite and allow it to dry. Baking soda helps to draw out fluids as well as alleviate irritating itching. Number 9. Help remove splinters. Baking soda also helps to remove splinters, swelling skin and helping to draw the splinter out. Make a water and baking soda paste and apply it to the splinter. Cover with a band-aid and by the next day the splinter should be out and easily removed. Number 10. Remove musty book odours. Older books tend to have an aged smell. Remove musty book odours by using baking soda. Simply sprinkle baking soda in between the pages to refresh. Number 11. Clean patio furniture. Outdoor patio furniture can get a lot of wear and tear. Wipe outdoor sets down with baking soda and water to keep them clean during use. Also, when storing furniture away during the winter months, place baking soda in the storage bag to keep them fresh. Number 12. Unclog the drain. Drains are easily clogged by everyday use. Unclog your drain by using baking soda and vinegar. The combination bubbles, so make sure to use a light hand and place a cover over the drain. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then flush with hot water. Number 13. For sunburn relief. Sunburns can be painful. Help alleviate the sting of sunburn by applying baking soda and cold water to the affected area. You can apply aloe vera for extra relief. Number 14. Remove coffee stains. You can clean stained coffee cups by using baking soda. Simply sprinkle baking soda into the cup and let it sit for a few minutes. Then grab a cloth and dip it into cold water and scrub the inside of the stained cup. Number 15. You can use it to polish silverware. Pour boiled water into an aluminium pan and add a teaspoon or 2 of baking soda. Then add silverware to the pan, letting utensils sit. Use tongs to remove silverware and allow to cool before drying. Number 16. To clean an outdoor grill. Barbecues are great, but the grill grime isn't. After you've done flipping burgers, easily clean your barbecue grill with baking soda. Ensure the grill is cool and use a brush to remove all the grit. Number 17. Keep flowers fresh. Extend the lifespan of a beautiful floral bouquet using baking soda. Simply place a teaspoon of baking soda into the vase with water. Also add an ice cube for an extra boost. Number 18. Clean car battery terminals. If you've got build up on your car's battery, it can reduce its lifespan. Clean the battery grime by mixing baking soda and water, creating a liquid paste. Disconnect the battery and carefully use a toothbrush to clean through the battery's terminals. Number 19. Disinfect retainers or braces. Baking soda is a powerful disinfectant, helping to kill unwanted bacteria. Brush retainer or teeth braces with baking soda and water to keep them sanitary. This technique works great for dentures as well. Number 20. Remove mildew from bathroom. You can clean those hard to reach areas of the bathroom using baking soda. Create a paste made of water and baking soda to scrub the bathtub tiles and sink. Then rinse the water off. If you want to go that extra mile, lightly spray the area with white vinegar to further disinfect. Number 21. Treat heartburn. Heartburn can be uncomfortable. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It can help neutralize stomach acid in heartburn. Treat heartburn by dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink slowly. Number 22. You can brighten your laundry. Adding half a cup of baking soda to your laundry load is a great way to brighten colours and whites. Use baking soda in conjunction with your regular liquid laundry detergent, plus your clothes are sure to be odour free. Number 23. You can strip paint with baking soda. Forget harsh chemicals, use baking soda as a fast, easy and non-toxic way to strip paint. Use a combination of hot water and baking soda, apply to the paint surface and scrape. Number 24. Save a burnt pan. Some pots and pans require a little extra work to clean, especially when they get a bit burnt. This residue can be difficult to remove in a regular wash. Sprinkle baking soda generously in the burnt pan, then add hot water and use a sponge to scrub away the remaining residue. Number 25. Disinfect sponges. Sponges are a breeding ground for bacteria and sometimes they need to be cleaned in between replacements. Soak a sponge in baking soda to disinfect it and that will extend their use. Number 26. Neutralize refrigerator odours. You can remove unpleasant odours in your refrigerator by using baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes fridge smells by interacting with odour particles and eliminating them. Create a small opening in the baking soda box and keep it in the refrigerator. Number 27. You can clean a shower curtain with baking soda. Over time, shower curtains tend to get stained and unsightly. Keep shower curtains clean by scrubbing them with baking soda and a damp brush. Number 28. Extinguish a small cooking fire. For small cooking fires sparked by oil or grease, quickly reach for the baking soda. Baking soda adds carbon dioxide to the flame, helping to put it out. In fact, baking soda is also found in actual fire extinguishers. Number 29. Kill unwanted weeds. Keep unwanted weeds under control by sprinkling baking soda in the cracks of driveways, walkways and garden beds. Baking soda is biodegradable and non-toxic, making it eco-friendly alternative to other chemical weed sprays. In just a few short days, the roots of the weeds will shrivel away. Number 30. Whiten teeth. Baking soda is one of the easiest and most economical way to whiten teeth. It helps to remove plaque buildup and surface stains on teeth. Simply brush your teeth with baking soda after using your regular toothpaste to keep your teeth bright and white. Number 31. Remove grease stains. You can remove garage grease stains using baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda with a heavy hand, let it sit on the stain for 15 to 20 minutes, then using a damp cloth or sponge, scrub the affected area. Feel free to repeat the process a couple of times if necessary. Number 32. You can use as a pest control. You can keep unwanted pests away from your home using baking soda. Control ants, roaches and other critters by pouring baking soda near their homes. Number 33. Deodorized trash cans. Trash cans can get smelly. Help to absorb strong odours and keep kitchen smelling fresh by using baking soda in your trash can. Simply sprinkle baking soda at the bottom of the trash and it can eliminate unwanted odours. Number 34. It can clean leftover stains. Leftovers are great, but leftover stains are not. Soak stained leftover containers in a mixture of baking soda and water for 30 minutes. Then use a sponge or moist cloth to clean the discoloration. Number 35. Remove stubborn carpet stains. A combination of baking soda and vinegar help to get deep stains out of carpets and upholsteries. Together the mixture creates a fizzing effect and it works hard to get the tough stains out. We all love a good cleaning hack. Number 36. Uses a mouthwash. Baking soda is great for your oral health. With its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, baking soda is an alternative for conventional mouthwash. Mix half a teaspoon of mouthwash with warm water and swish. Number 37. Uses a dry shampoo. If you're tired of constantly washing your hair, opt for baking soda as a dry shampoo, pulling excess oils away from the scalp. Make sure to sprinkle the baking soda with a light hand and rub in thoroughly. Number 38. It can deodorize pet beds. We love our pets and every once in a while we need to ensure their beds are clean too. Sprinkle baking soda over your pet's bed and let it soak in for about 15 minutes. Then vacuum the surface, keeping it fresh and clean. Number 39. It can treat a jellyfish sting. Jellyfish stings occur more often than we think. Help treat a jellyfish sting by using baking soda. First rinse the area with vinegar, then apply hot water with baking soda mix. The last and final one, number 40, is you can wash fruits and vegetables with baking soda. Washing fruits and vegetables are essential to removing pesticides and other chemicals. Baking soda has been found to be one of the most effective ways to thoroughly wash produce. Simply soak fruits and vegetables in water and add a spoonful of baking soda for 15 minutes. Then simply rinse and dry. For such a low cost, baking soda is a really affordable natural remedy with a seemingly endless list of baking soda uses. From cleaning your bathroom or cleaning your face to calming indigestion and even treating your hair, all of the many baking soda uses are pretty amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 40 brilliant uses and benefits of baking soda you probably didn't know. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 amazing uses, benefits, beauty tips and life hacks of baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.